In this module, we're going to show you how to use ChatGPT to speed up your content creation, so you can write faster, promote smarter, and keep showing up consistently without burning out. Whether you're creating product listings, social media captions, blog posts, or email sequences, ChatGPT is your secret weapon. Let's start with the most powerful mindset. You don't need to write everything from scratch. You need to guide the AI to sound like you, speak to your audience, and promote your product. Here's how to do that. Step 1. Give it context. Instead of just typing, write a product description, write a product description for a printable 30-day self-care planner for busy moms who want to feel more in control. Focus on stress relief, time management, and building daily habits. The more specific your prompt, the better the output. Step 2. Use ChatGPT for content ideas. Type, "Give me 10 Instagram Reel ideas to promote a financial goals worksheet for beginners," or write 3 email subject lines for a digital self-love journal launch. Let ChatGPT do the heavy lifting and just tweak what it gives you to match your tone. Step 3. Repurpose your content. Turn one product into multiple posts. Ask, "Take this product description and turn it into a TikTok script." Rewrite this email into a short, engaging Instagram caption. This multiplies your visibility without multiplying your effort. Step 4. Use it for email marketing. You can ask ChatGPT to write your entire welcome sequence. Example: write a 3-part email welcome sequence for someone who downloads a free money mindset journal. End with a pitch for a $17 budget planner. This alone can save you hours and help you make sales on autopilot. Step 5. Use ChatGPT to rebrand PLR content. This one's a game changer. If you're working with a PLR ebook or printable from the ultimate Digital Cashflow Vault, paste a paragraph into ChatGPT and say, "Rewrite this to sound more conversational, fun, and encouraging for an audience of women building digital product side hustles." You'll get a fresh version that sounds more like you. Fast. Remember, ChatGPT isn't here to replace your voice. It's here to help you find it faster, keep content flowing, and remove the friction of starting from scratch. It's like having a copywriter, editor, and brainstorming partner on call 24/7. In the next module, we'll talk about how to use paid ads on a budget to get even more eyeballs on your products without blowing your savings.